Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progressions. It means AP. What the arithmetic progressions? That means if our distance is equal like this, suppose we are taking 1, that 3, 5, 7, 9. Here difference is same. So that is in the form of AP. Like this also you can write 10, 20, 30, 40, or like this 5, 10, 15, 20. These are in AP. Okay. And then we will see now exercise 5.1. First question, in which of the following situation does the list of number involved make an arithmetic progression and why? The taxi fare after each came when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So first means, that means AP will be first kilometer is 15, then 15 plus 8, then 15 plus 8 plus 8, then 15 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So ever will be, so that will be 15, and this one will be 23, then 31, then 39. So you are looking here, difference is same. So yes, this is in AP. Second, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump remove 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So that will, it means AP will be there. First of all 1, and then suppose we have taken 1, and then after it will remove 1/4. So that will be 1 minus 1/4. So that 3/4 is left. So 1/3 multiply 3/4, and then 1 multiply 3/4 multiply 3/4, and then 1 multiply 3/4 multiply 3/4 multiply 3/4. So ever that will be. So 1 3/4, 9/16, 27/64. So ever this one. So difference is not equal. Here you are looking, the difference is not equal. So this is not in AP. The cost of digging as a well after every meter of digging, when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So similarly, but according to second you can do. Then fourth part, that will be the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at rupees 8% per annum. So that will be AP. AP will be, first you know that formula, that one, P plus 1 upon 1 plus, sorry, P multiply 1 plus that R upon 100, 8/100. So first will be that one 10,000, and then second will be 10,000 multiply 1 plus that 8/10,000 power 2 and then for first, that will be first year, and then after 10,000 multiply 1 plus 8 upon 100 power 2, so ever that will become. When we will calculate these things, so difference will be not 0, oh, sorry, equal, difference will be not equal, so this also not in AP, so we will write no. Second question, write first 4 term of an AP when the first term A and common difference D are given as follow. So first 4 term we will write that. So second question, that is first part, A is equal to 10, D is equal to also 10. So that AP first 4 term is saying na, write first 4 term, first 4 term, first 4 term is equal to, first term will be A, second term will be A plus D, third term will be A plus D, or you can write 2D, and fourth term will be A plus like this 3D, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So that is A means 10, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 2 multiply 10, 10 plus 3 multiply 10, that will be 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the first 4 term of this AP. And then we can see that second part is easy, third part also. See the fourth part. Fourth part, that is A is equal to -1, D is equal to 1 upon 2. That will be the first 4 term. First 4 term is equal to A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So that A is -1, -1 plus 1 upon 2, -1 plus 2 into 1 upon 2, -1 plus 3 into 1 upon 2. That will become -1, or this will become -1 upon 2 by subtraction of this, and this will become 0, this will become 1 upon 2. That will 1 upon 2. And then you can see the fifth part also, because here given all thing in minus. A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to, that's given, minus 0.25. So first four term is equal to A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So A value is minus 125 minus 1.25 plus 0.25, then minus 1.25 plus 2 into 0.25 comma minus 1.25 and then plus 3 into, that is minus also. See that this is the minus value is this one, and then multiply minus 1.25. So this will become minus 1.25, or this will become minus 1.50, or you can write 1.5 only, and then this will become 1.75, or this will become 1, only 2.00. 2.00. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, 3. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. This is the most easy question and most important for your board exam. 3 minus 3, comma 1, comma minus 1, comma minus 3. So A is equal to, first term is A. First term is A. And D is equal to that second term minus first term, that will be minus 2. These are the answer. And then you can see that third part of this question, other part you can do very easily. 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3, 13 upon 3. So A is equal to, you know very well, you are looking, first term is A. D is equal to second term minus first term. So that will be 4 upon 3, because 5 minus 1, 4. Decimal things also you can do. Question number 4. That first part. Which of the following are AP? First of all, we will find this is the AP or not AP. If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more term. So that first part is 2, 4, 8, 6. 2, 4, 8, 16. So that first of all we will find D1. D1 means second term minus first term. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now D2. D2 means third term minus second term. 8 minus 4, that is 4. Both difference are not equal, so no, it's not in AP. And then we will see second part also, that 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2. So D1 is equal to 5.2 minus 2 is equal to 4, 1 upon 2. D2 is equal to 3 minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. D3 is equal to 7 upon 2 minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 2. So all differences are same. So that will be yes. And 3 more term. Or you can write like this: 3 more term is equal to that. How many given? 1, 2, 3, 4 term is given. So we are finding for fifth term. So A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D. 1, 2, 3 more term. So that A is 2 plus 4 into, that is 1 upon 2. Then 2 plus 5 into 1 upon 2. And then 2 plus 6 into 1 upon 2. The value of D we have placed here, and then value of A also. Now that will be cancelled. 2 2 ja 4, and then 2 plus 2 4. This will be 9 upon 2. This will be 2 3 ja 3 4 5. 3 2 5. This is the 3 more term. And then you can do this one, and then see the fifth part, because it's given in under root. It's given in under root 3, 3 plus under root 2, 3 plus 2 under root 2, 3 plus 3 under root 2. So A is equal to, no need to find the A, D1 is equal to 3 plus under root 2 minus 3. That 3 cancel by 3, so that is under root 2. Then d2 is equal to this one, 3 plus 2 under root 2 minus 3 minus under root 2. So 3 cancel by 3 and 2 under root 2 subtract 1 under root 2, that will be under root 2. d3 is equal to d3 will be a4 minus a3, 3 minus 2 under root 2. So 3 cancel by 3 and then left is 3 less to 1 under root 2. All differences are same, so that will be yes. And 3 more term, 3 more term is equal to similarly 1, 2, 3, 4 term already given here. So first we will find fifth term and then a plus 5d and then a plus 6d. So is equal to a is given 3 plus 4 into under root 2, 3 plus 5 into under root 2, 3 plus 6 under root 6 multiply under root 2. Or you can write directly also a plus 4d, 4 under root 2, 3 plus 5 under root 2 and then 3 plus 6 under root 2. These are the 3 more terms. And then we will see that 10th part. Other part are the easy, you can do very easily. 10th part a comma 2a comma 3a comma 4a. So d1 is equal to 2a minus a is equal to a. d2 is equal to 3a minus 2a is equal to a. d3 is equal to 4a minus 3a is equal to a. So that will be also yes. Now 3 more term, 3 more term is equal to, here also given 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all we find fifth term. So a plus 4d, a plus 5d, a plus 6d and then a is a plus 4, d value is a and then a plus 5a, a plus 6a. So 1a, 4a, 5a, 6a, 7a. These are the 3 more term. And then 9th part will be no. 8th part. 8th part under root 2, under root 8, under root 18, under root 32. So d1 is equal to under root 8 minus under root 2. That will be under root 2. Wow, see that under root 8 minus under root 2 is equal to, this will be 2 under root 2 minus under root 2. So the left will be that one. d2 is equal to under root 18 minus under root 8. So that will be also under root 2. By 18 we can write 3 under root 2 and under root 8 we can write 2 under root 2. So that will be under root 2. And d3 is equal to under root 32 minus under root 18. This will be also under root 2. So this will be also yes. So 3 more term. 3 more term is equal to a plus 4d, a plus 5d, a plus 6d. So that a is under root 2 plus 4 into under root 2 or 4 under root 2 we can write, and then under root 2 plus 5 under root 2 and then under root 2 plus 6 under root 2. When we will add this thing, so that will become under root 2 plus, 5 under root 2, 6 under root 2, 7 under root 2, or you can write like this also, under root 50, under root 72, under root 98 also you can write. And then this is a 12th part, this is the 12th part. And then 13, that will be no. 14, 15, 14 also no. 15, that will be yes, can be yes, this can be yes. 15, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. So D1 is equal to 5 square minus 1 is equal to 24, because 5 have 25 and then subtract 1. D2 is equal to 7 square minus 5 square, this is also 24. And then D3 is equal to 73 minus 7 square, that will be also 24, because 73 minus 49, 7 square means 49. So 3 more term is equal to a plus 4d, a plus 5d, a plus 6d. So that will be a is 1 plus 4 into 24, 1 plus 4 into 5 into 24, and then 1 plus 6 into 24. So 1, 4 4 ja 16, 4 to 8 1 9, 8 1 9, and then 1 plus 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 10 1 11, and then 1 plus 6 4 ja 24, 6 2 12 13 14. So that will be 97, and this will be 111, or this will be 149. This is the answer. Okay.